Hello, everyone, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Take a deep breath with me. If you are listening right now, maybe you understand English, but you feel shy, nervous, or scared to speak English. You are not alone, not at all.
Oh, yes, totally not alone. Honestly, even I remember feeling nervous talking to strangers in another language. My heart was like, boom, boom, boom.
Exactly. And today's episode is very special. We are talking about something very real, very common, and very scary for many learners.
Talking to a stranger in English. Whew, even saying it sounds scary.
Right? Maybe you're thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me? What if they laugh?
Yeah. Or worse, what if my mind goes blank and I forget everything?
That blank mind moment. We all know it.
I swear, sometimes you know the sentence at home, but outside, poof, gone.
So today, we're not here to teach you perfect grammar. We're here to help you feel comfortable, feel human, and feel brave enough to speak.
Yes. No pressure, no exams, just real English for real life.
Let's start with a simple truth. Talking to a stranger is hard, even in your own language.
Oh my goodness, yes. Sometimes I avoid eye contact just to not talk.
Exactly. So if it's hard in your own language, of course it feels harder in English.
That means you're not weak. You're normal.
Very normal. Most learners don't fail because of bad English. They stop because of fear.
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of sounding stupid.
But here's something important. Strangers don't expect perfect English.
Yes, they expect a human, someone trying.
Let's imagine a real situation. You're in a cafe. You want to order coffee. There's a stranger behind the counter.
Your hands are a little sweaty. Your voice feels stuck in your throat.
And your brain says, say something fancy.
Yes, but then nothing comes out.
Here's the secret. Simple English works best.
Always.
You don't need, may I kindly request a cup of caffeinated beverage.
Please no.
You can just say, hi, one coffee, please.
That's it. Short, clear, human.
Let's practice together. Listener, say this with me. Out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready?
Hi. One coffee, please.
Again, slowly.
Hi. One coffee, please.
See? You just spoke English.
Now let's talk about starting a conversation with a stranger. That first sentence is the hardest.
Yes. After that, it gets easier.
Here are some magic starters. Simple, friendly, safe.
Ooh, magic words.
Listen and repeat in your head or out loud. Excuse me.
Hi, can I ask you something?
Sorry, do you speak English?
That one is my favorite. It gives you time to breathe.
Let's do a mini role play. Alex, you're a stranger. I'm nervous.
Okay, I'm ready. Be brave.
Excuse me. Sorry, do you speak English?
Oh, yes, a little. How can I help?
See? Nothing scary happened.
No fire, no laughing, no drama.
Another place people meet strangers, shopping.
Oh, yes, shops, malls, markets.
You can say, excuse me, how much is this?
Or, can you help me, please?
Let's practice. Listener, repeat. How much is this? Again. How much is this? Now let's talk about the workplace. This is a big fear for many people.
Yes, because you don't want to look unprofessional.
But simple English is professional.
Say that again louder.
Simple English is professional. You can say, hi, I'm new here.
Or, nice to meet you.
Classic, friendly, perfect. Okay, quick mindset tip. This is very important.
Lean in, everyone.
Mistakes are not failure. Silence is.
Oof, that hit.
Every mistake means you tried. Every silence means you stopped yourself.
And guess what?
People forget your mistakes, but they remember your smile.
Let's do an interactive exercise. Imagine this situation.
You're waiting for a bus. A stranger is next to you.
What can you say? Here are options.
Option 1. Hi, is this bus going to the city center?
Option 2. Excuse me, do you know the time?
Pause the podcast if you want. Say one sentence out loud.
Go on. We're waiting.
You did it. Good job.
Now, vocabulary time, but not boring vocabulary.
Yes, real-life words.
Listen and repeat naturally. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sorry. Sorry.
Help. Can you help me?
Please. Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice. Nice to meet you.
Where? Where is the restroom?
How much? How much is this?
Okay. Thank you.
Say them again later today. In the mirror, in your room, anywhere.
Before we finish, let me tell you a short story.
Story time.
I once met a learner who only knew 5 English sentences. Only 5.
5? That's it?
Yes, but he used them every day with strangers.
Wow.
6 months later, his English exploded, not because of books, but because of courage.
That can be you.
If you remember one thing from today, remember this. You don't need perfect English to start. You need English to get perfect.
I love that.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We're really proud of you for listening and trying.
If this episode helped you, please like it.
Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for daily confidence.
And comment below. What sentence will you say to a stranger today?
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep speaking.